In front of me is Nevin phone for April, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off app notifications. First of all, go into settings and scroll to tap on notifications over here. Now select app notifications and tap on most recent. This way you can sort your apps to see ones with most recent notifications, most frequent notifications, all apps on your phone, or only apps with notifications already blocked. Whatever you decided, when you're ready, click on black switches next to apps from which you want to block them, or gray ones to turn them back on. Quick tip, you can also click on any app on the left, and this way not only turn off or switch on notifications here, but also get access to all of those notification settings for chosen app. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!